I am excited to show you the floodlight we use here, which I designed from scratch using Fusion 360. My name is Divine Favor. I am a product designer. Join me as I walk you through the fascinating process of creating this floodlight. To kick things off, I meticulously measured each part of the floodlight using precision tools, ensuring every dimension was accurate. Armed with this measurement, I dive into Fusion 360. I started by sketching the base, laying the foundation for the entire model. Next, I extruded the sketch to give it form and structure. The step is crucial as it sets the stage for the detailed components. One of the most integral parts was designing the LED housing. It required careful planning to ensure optimal heat dissipation and functionality. Then, I moved on to the adjustable mounting brackets. These are the key to the floodlight's versatility, allowing it to be directed precisely where needed. Incorporating the wiring channels and connectors was a challenge, but essential for a clean and efficient design. With all the components in place, I conducted a thorough review to ensure perfect alignment and fit. There you have it, our floodlight design ready for action and built to last. It's been a rewarding project from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more innovative design from the lab.